Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Swedish coffee makers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cuisinart DCC3400 stainless steel thermal coffee aker. If you want the best quality coffee maker that you can serve your large family, this Cuisinart machine is just the perfect one to buy. It makes a serving of 12 people, making it ideal for large families or even for office use. It makes excellent coffee that retains its natural flavor. It comes with 2 different brewing options, which are the regular or bold coffee flavor. So, you can comfortably make your preferred coffee anytime with this machine. It is easy to work with, including for beginners, as it comes with 24-hour programmable options which include automatic shut-off. The coffee maker is made of stainless steel material that ensures durability even when it comes into contact with wetness. You can taste your coffee while still brewing since the machine has a pause button. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Mr. Coffee BVMSTX9510Cup Optimal Brewing Thermal Coffee Maker. It is super easy to clean and fill the water and the coffee basket since they are removable. This coffee maker is suitable for making the best flavored coffee due to the water filtration process which occurs to clean the chlorine that may be in the water. The carafe is made of stainless steel material that ensures the coffee remains hot for a long time. It is also equipped with a cleaning cycle which helps to maintain the functionality of the machine for excellent coffee making. At number 3, we have the BLACKDECKER 12-cup Programmable Swedish Coffee Makers. The coffee maker is designed in a white color which makes it look elegant. It is large enough to provide a serving for up to 12 people. It is quite easy to use as it can be programmed in different timing. Note that this machine also has an auto shut-off once the coffee is finished brewing. The device is equipped with a large control button which allows the user to control and program the viewing period. You can easily taste the coffee while still brewing since the machine has a pause button to allow you to stop it and resume it. The window is crafted with a glass material which enables the user to take a peek of how the coffee is cooking. It keeps your coffee warm for a long time with the aid of the equipped carafe plate. At number 2, we have the Keurig K575 single-serve K-cup pod coffee maker. This coffee maker is suitable for single-serving or if you are not serving a lot of people. It is designed in a small form which makes it ideal for use even in homes with small working space. It is made of quality, and it also makes different flavors of coffee, making it one of the most preferred single-serving coffee makers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Chemex Classic Series PourOver glass coffee maker. Although this coffee maker is crafted in unique glass design, we cannot ignore the fact that it looks quite attractive on the kitchen counter. It is suitable for single serving as it makes 1 cup of coffee at a go. What makes the machine stand out is that it makes the most flavored and purest coffee in the whole world. For quality assurance when buying this coffee maker, make sure to buy it from a reliable dealer. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.